In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails using Pipedrive. We're going to walk through a simple example together so you can set up an email that sends automatically whenever something important happens in your pipeline, like when a deal moves to a new stage. By the end, you'll have a working automation and a clear idea of how to adapt it to your own process. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical sidebar with different icons. Look for the automation icon, which looks like a small lightning bolt. Go ahead and click that. This area is where all your workflows and automations live, so it's the control center for anything you want Pipedrive to do for you automatically. Once you're in the automation section, find the option that says Add Automation. It's usually marked with a plus sign. Click Add Automation to start creating a new workflow. Think of this as building a rule. When something happens, Pipedrive will respond with an action you define. Now you'll be asked to choose a trigger. The trigger is what tells Pipedrive when to run your automation. For example, you might choose Deal Move to a New Stage. That means whenever you drag a deal from one stage to another in your pipeline, this automation will kick in. You can pick the trigger that best fits your process, but for now, select the Deal Stage option so we can connect it to a follow-up email. After setting your trigger, you'll see a small plus button to add what happens next. Click the plus sign, and from the list of possible actions, choose Send Email. This is where the real time saving happens, because Pipedrive will now send an email for you automatically instead of you composing it every time. Next, you'll either write your email from scratch or pick an existing email template. If you already use templates, this is a great time to reuse one, especially for common follow-ups or welcome messages. Keep your message clear and personal, and avoid including any sensitive information that shouldn't be automated. When you're happy with the subject line and the body of the email, click Save. At this point, your automation is ready. Your chosen trigger will now fire off that email action without you lifting a finger, helping you stay consistent and responsive with almost no extra effort.